today I will show you how we can establish an EPIC or ECFMG account for IMC or GMC registration purpose. So first of all, go to the Google and write down EPIC or ECFMG, and here is the first one, website of ECFMG. Click on that one. They have recently updated this to this version, so you have to select this one. Now click on the physician login portal. If you already have account, you can directly write down the username. If you don't have, like me, then we have to select establish an EPIC account. So we will go step by step, starting from biographics till to the payment option. So first of all, here is some information like what things you have in your PC or mobile to make an establish an EPIC account. So they need two things, your passport, and the other thing is your profile pic. So starting from the biographics portion, first of all, write down your name, your last name according to your passport. And next is your first name or given name. And then you have to select your area of residency. So first of all, select your country. It will take some time to process. So after selecting the country, I will put my residency address, like my house or flat number and the street address. And next portion is your email address. So make sure your email address is correct one. Recheck it again, because ECFMG will contact you on this mail, and your credential will also be verified and reply to you on this mail. And next thing is your telephone number. So first of all, put your country code and then your area code and the remaining number. And then we have to select our date of birth and then your birth country. Whenever you select the country portion on EPIC, it will take some time to process. So don't worry about that. And the next thing is your birth city and province. These two are optional, but we always write down. So once again is citizenship at birth. Select the country again. And also the next one is your citizenship upon entering your medical school. And then the last one is your current citizenship. And then we have to select your gender, and then next one is your US social security number. If you are not from USA, we have to leave it blank. And then next thing is you put your identification number and then select the country. There is a question, do you have a USMLE or ECFMG identification number? No. I will select no because I am establishing an EPIC account first time and I don't have this identification number. And also we have to select no for the next question because I don't have the identification number. So click continue and we will go to the next portion. So next block is about the medical school. So first of all, if you are a still student, you have to select the first one, and if you are graduated, then you select graduate. And now click on add to give the medical school degree details. So first of all is your medical school country. You have to select the country and then write down your medical school city and then your school name and click on the search bar. If your school is already in the list of Word directory of medical school, it will be shown here with all the address. Like see, here is my school, and when I click on the name, it will be automatically shown here or added. And if your school is not shown here, then you have to tick on this box, medical school not found. And next thing is your student identification or roll number during your medical school. Write down that one. And the last thing is your attendance. So first of all is your starting date, put that one. And then you have to select the end date of your medical school or your attendance. And third one is your date of medical degree on which your medical degree was issued. Most of the time date is mentioned on your degree paper. And the last one is your title of medical degree, like MBBS or MBCSP, whatever is. So after putting all the detail of your medical school, you have to select the add button, and all the detail will be automatically added. So you can see here all the detail of medical school have been added. And next portion is your other undergraduate medical school if you have attended. We don't need this time here, this one. So we'll leave blank here. If you have any undergraduate medical school attendance, then you can write down that. And next one is your license. If any medical authority have given you license, then you have to add all the details. Like first of all, select the country, like I have selected Pakistan, and then your city of the authority, and then your authority name, and after that click on the search bar. If your authority is already added in the EPIC or ECFMG, it will be shown directly here with all the address. And if it's not found, then you have to select that box in the last one, authority not found, and you will individually put all the details. So click on the add, and after that your licensing authority information will be shown here. Next portion they want to ask is the organization to which you are applying. Like if you are going for GMC, then you have to select General Medical Council, and if you are going for IMC registration, then I will select the Medical Council of Ireland here. And if you are not sure, then you can also leave blank here by clicking on the last blank box. So we will click continue and go to the next portion. So next thing is about our photo and passport. So some detail like what should be your photograph, like it should be less than 2 MB size, and according to that all the detail is mentioned, you can read. So I will choose the file for profile photo. Make sure your picture is clear one, because if it's not clear, unlike some students even put the screenshot, so they directly rejected it. So after selecting the profile pic, the next portion is upload your passport. So also make sure that your passport is also clear one, and it should be like not black or white in color. It should be the color copy or the original scan one. Make sure that both of the things have been scanned in your PC or mobile. So after selecting the profile pic and password, it will be shown here. And next thing is put your passport information. Like first of all, the country which issued you this passport, and then the passport issue date, and the next one is your passport expiry date. So after putting all the details of this passport, click on continue. So almost we have put all the information, and here is now the legal sum claims, like all the degrees information or everything which we have put will be given to the other authorities for verification. So this is the claiming portion. We have to tick all the boxes here. Like I will give you the authority that you share my information to the other authorities for registration purpose. You can also read that it's like 3 or 4 options. So after clicking all the boxes, I will select OK. And here is the brief summary of all the information for which we have recently put it or added. So you can recheck it again, like if you found any mistake, you can edit. like first of all your biographic portion, and then your medical school detail, and next one is your licensing authority, and then organization to which you are applying, and the last one is your photograph and passport details, and then your claim to options. So here you can see there is a $130 pound fee for establishing an EPIC account. So click on proceed to payment. So here you can see you can pay your account fee, which is about $130. So you can pay by your credit card or debit card or Visa or American Express. There are so many options, also from PayPal. And for payment, like for debit or Visa or everything, you have to first of all write down your card number, and then the expiry date is given on that card number. And the next portion is your security code, which is given on the back side of the debit card most of the time, and then the name of the name on which card is issued, the account number, and then is the billing address of your card. So after putting all the details of payment, you will select I authorize this transaction, and your payment will be automatically done, and you will receive an EPIC or ECFMG email that your payment have been done, and within 3 working days your account will be legalized. So after payment you have to wait for 3 working days,